You are most welcome to the second episode of Programming in Python. In our first episode, you have learned how to download the necessary softwares from the internet and how to install the necessary Python file, the Python program, editor, and how to run the very first program in PowerShell. So guys, in our second episode, we'll learn something more. We'll learn a very good first program and we will learn how to print something in Python 3 correctly. So guys, if you want to write something in your atom, then go to File, click New File, then again go to File and click on Save As. Then I am going to my Documents folder because in my Documents folder I have created a new folder something like py, and here I am typing the name of my program something like ex1.py, and I am saving my document. Now let's print something out. If we want to print something out by using the programming language Python, you have to write the keyword print. Print is a function. This function is used to print out something in your output, something like we are using here PowerShell. And after writing the function name print, you have to give a pair of parentheses in case of Python 3, but not in case of Python 2. I am using Python 3 here, so I am giving a pair of parentheses, and in between parentheses you have to think what you want to print. Do you want to print a number or do you want to print a string? Number is something like 1, 2, 3. These are numbers. But if you want to print some kind of alphabets or words or sentences, say like this, HELLO, hello world. Look here, I have written hello world in between double inverted commas. In between double inverted commas, what I have written here is called a string. I am printing here another lines and giving the keyword print again, and in between parentheses I'm writing another line something like HELLO AGAIN, hello again. Okay, giving a full stop. In programming in Python, you can use both single commas, single inverted comma or double inverted comma to printing out something in your terminal. Say you can write print and you can use single inverted comma to print out something. Say something like I am going to print here, this is fun. I have written here this is fun, and I have written here in between single inverted comma, and I am writing here another line and it is in between single inverted comma also, and writing here something like, yeah, it's printing. It's so writing here it is printing. Okay, now let's run this snippet of course. For this I have to run my PowerShell. So running my PowerShell, and in our PowerShell we will run our program. How we can run? Before going to run, I want to say you something really special. What this special thing? Look here, here is a little dot. Okay, this little blue color dot means that your program is not saved yet. If you save your program, something like go to File and click the Save command, or you can press Ctrl and S at the same time. Look here, my little dot is disappeared from that place, and be sure that your program is saved, already saved. Now go to PowerShell. I am going to my PowerShell and I have to run this program. So how I can run that? in our last episode, you have already learned how we can run our very first program. So I have to see the directory first. My directory is C /users /Sadhan Verma /documents /5 ex1.py. Look here, this is similar. So I am writing here something like cd. I am changing my directory to documents, 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 and for giving a forward slash, you don't have to give here backslash. I'm giving a forward slash and writing capital PY and pressing enter. Okay, I am in the directory, already in the directory. Now I have to write the keyword Python because it is a Python program. I have to write the keyword. Now I am writing my name of the exercise ex1.py and pressing enter. Look here, it is telling that there is an error. So why is the error? The error is here. We have not closed the single inverted comma here, so we have to close it. Go there and give it a single inverted comma and press and Ctrl S at the same time for saving the document and running the program again. Writing here python and ex1.py and pressing enter. Okay, cool. Our program is run. Okay, this is the output. Look here, print is not printed here because print is our function which is used to printing out the string hello world from here. Okay, so hello world is printed here. Look here, we have used double inverted commas here, it is printed, and we have used single inverted comma here, it is also printed. So you can use both double inverted comma and single inverted comma for printing out something in your terminal. Okay, but there is a rule of thumb of using single inverted comma and double inverted comma. So what's the rule? The rule is if you are using double inverted comma inside your string, any place of your string, then please use single inverted comma to wrap it. Or vice versa, if you are using single inverted comma inside any place of your string, then use a double inverted comma to wrap it. So what exactly I want to say, or what exactly I am saying to you, let's write something more and say I am typing here something like in between double inverted commas I would. Look here, I have written here I would, and I have used a single inverted comma here and writing here I would much rather you something like not. Okay, look here, I have used double inverted comma for wrapping the string because I have used single inverted comma inside the string. If you use here single inverted comma to printing out, there will be an error. So be careful that I am telling you again, if you are using single inverted comma inside the string, then wrap the whole string in double inverted comma and vice versa. So what is that actually? This is something like this. I said, say something like I am giving the word said in between double inverted comma, said, and writing here, do not touch this. Do not, TOUCHTHIS, do not touch this. Now let's print it out. Ctrl S and going to our partial, and we are going to printing out it. So writing here the keyword Python and ex1.py and pressing enter. Okay, good. Look here, double inverted comma is used here, and we have used single inverted comma to wrap the whole string. So this is the rule of thumb of using single inverted comma and double inverted comma. Okay, we'll learn something little bit more in this exercise. It is the matter of commenting out. So what is commenting out actually? Commenting out is the matter, say, I am the writer, I am the coder or programmer of this snippet of codes. I want to tell it to the further users, but I don't want to printing out my credit in the shell. So let's, I am writing here this program, something program is BROEUGST, brought you by Sadhan Verma. This program is brought to you by Sadhan Verma. Look here, I have written this snippet of codes giving a pound character at the very beginning of this line. This pound character refers that I am writing here a comment and I don't want to print this line in my terminal. So I am going to my shell again, my terminal again, and I want to print my program again, writing here Python python and writing here ex1.py and pressing enter. Okay, look here, the first line is not printed out. So this is called commenting out. Say you don't want to print out these two lines from here just for a while, but in future you may change your decision that you want to print out this again, but for a temporary period you don't want to print it out. So what you can do, you can comment it out by establishing a pound character and commenting out those lines, and this will not be printed. So I am saving this document, Ctrl S, and going to my shell, and I am going to print out it running my program Python ex1.py and pressing enter. Okay, look here, hello world and hello again is not printed. This is fun, this is printed. So guys, if you want to commenting out something in Python, you have to use hash or pound character at the very beginning of the line. Actually, comments are very important in your programs. They are used to tell you what something does in English, and they also are used to disable parts of your program if you need to remove them temporarily. Okay guys, this is all for today. I think you have enjoyed this video tutorial on programming in Python. In our next video tutorial, we will learn something more, how to programming in Python in the right way. If you like our video, then give it thumbs up, share with your friends, and never forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye. Have a nice day or nice night.